Hello everyone, my name is Vanika and I have cleared my PCE written component in my first attempt. Hi, I'm from India and I have done bachelor's in physio from back home, University of Delhi, Amarjyoti Institute of Physiotherapy, and then I also did my internship from Gangaram Hospital. I am so fresher that I just straight away landed in Canada for better opportunities. Here, when I came here, so there were my two seniors, Ria ma'am and Deepika ma'am, who guided me actually, and they told me to focus uh, on study buddy from the initial, like from the beginning, the minute I landed in Canada. So I think in the 2 years I was doing my schooling, and then after I completed, meanwhile I also applied for the credential because in Canada credentialing is the most important step that we need to do, and it takes around a year. For me, it took me a year, and when it got everything was sorted, so after that I started. I guess in February I started in with the PCE study buddy. Dr. Ankit was there and Mayank sir was there. So I started with them and I then gave my exam in this September, which I thankfully passed with I think it's a big achievement for me. So yeah, I just cleared it. So the challenge for me to pass this PCE written component was, I think, to remember a lot, because everything what I did in bachelor's was divided into 4 years, but now I have to be concise and I have to be perfect in what I am learning. So I think learning was the issue, but but yeah, I have to keep on remembering things. So every time, the first time I read, if it is for the day, then it's fine. But if I try to remember the next week, it was difficult. So this was the first thing that I faced, and the other thing was, of course, the money issues and stuff. So part-time job was also the main issue that I was facing, but because money, I have to be constant with the in if I'm living in Canada. If I were in back home, my parents were there, everything will be supported. But here, I was all alone. So PCE study buddy helped me a lot in guiding and motivating me. So few tips for the future students who are going to pass the PCE. First would be, I would say, questions, questions, and questions. Do questions every day. Try do 50 questions at least. Try reading. So try to complete syllabus in 1 or 2 months, and then try to read everything. Like try to be um, try to be like, if you're dividing time, then go for 2 hours neuro, go for 2 hours cardio, but don't stick cardio for the whole day, don't stick neuro for the whole day. Just divide your day into stuff so that you don't get so that you don't get lost in that particular subject. I would say practice, practice, practice in the end, because motivation and practice will help you succeed in this. And of course, study buddy will help you till the time you get past. Thank you. So I would like to thank my friend Amrita. She was my support system here in Canada. Second, I would say Ankit sir, he's the god. He taught musculoskeletal, cardio, I guess, everything which actually contains the most aspect of the written component. And Mayank sir, he's the neuro specialist, I would say. I have never studied neuro in so much detail that he has explained to us in a lot of depth. I also took mentorship from Ankush, and he is the best, I can say. He he focused on questions. He not only gave questions, but also he provided recorded lectures, which helped me because I am not a person who can sit in front of a teacher and study. So I need something like that I can do at any time of the day, like in the midnight or at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. So I can do those lectures, which was a great asset for me. And he took all the pain for so that our basics are clear. Basics are the most important thing that we need to um, excel in this exam. So yeah, and ethics, I would say no one can teach us better than Ankit sir. So everything, if I've achieved something, it's I can totally assure that PC Study Buddy is the right fit if you want to go for your exam written component. Thank you.